In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quiz using Jotform, a robust form builder tool that lets you create forms for almost any purpose imaginable. Making quizzes with Jotform is a fantastic way to engage with your audience, whether it's for educational purposes, fun social media interactions, or even business assessments. Let's jump right in and see how you can set up your own quiz in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Jotform's website. Once there, if you already have an account, you simply need to log in. If you're new to Jotform, don't worry. Signing up is straightforward and free for the basic plan. On the homepage, you'll notice a login button. Click on that to proceed. If you've linked your Jotform account to other platforms such as Google, you can opt to sign in with one of those for an even smoother login process. Having logged in, the next step is to access your dashboard by selecting My Forms. This area is your command center where you can manage all your forms, view submissions, and more importantly, create new forms. Now you're ready to bring your quiz to life. To create a new form, look for and click on the Create Form button. This action will open up several options for starting your form. While you can start from scratch or import a form, for this purpose we're going to select Use Template, as Jotform offers a plethora of pre-existing templates, including several designed specifically for quizzes. Upon selecting Use Template, you'll be directed to the template gallery. Here in the search bar you're going to type Quiz, which will help narrow down your search to quiz-specific templates. Scanning through the results, you'll find various quiz templates tailored to different needs, from educational quizzes to fun trivia. For this example, let's say we choose a mini-math quiz. It's a simple yet engaging template perfect for our demonstration. Once you find a template that suits your quiz theme, simply click on it to proceed. With the template chosen, you're now in the Form Builder, a powerful tool where magic happens. This space allows you to customize your chosen quiz template to fit your exact needs. Whether you want to edit questions, change the form design, or add new elements, everything you need is right here. Editing your quiz is pretty intuitive. Click on any part of the form and you'll see options to modify it. You can change the wording of questions, adjust the form layout, add images, and much more. Take your time to explore the builder's features and tailor your quiz exactly how you want it. Remember, this step is crucial for making your quiz engaging and effective, so don't rush. One pro tip while editing: keep your audience in mind. Depending on who will be taking the quiz, you might want to adjust the difficulty level of the questions, or maybe add some visuals to make it more appealing. The goal is to make the quiz enjoyable while still fulfilling its purpose. Once you're satisfied with your quiz, the next steps are all about how your audience will access and take it. Jotform provides various options for sharing your form. You can embed it on a website, share it directly via email, or even link to it from social media. Choose the method that best suits your audience to ensure maximum engagement. And there you have it. You've successfully created a quiz using Jotform. Whether it's for educational purposes, customer feedback, or just for fun, quizzes are a fantastic way to interact with your audience. And with Jotform, the process is easier than ever. Remember, this is just the beginning. As you get comfortable with Jotform's form builder, you'll discover even more ways to customize and optimize your quizzes for better engagement and results. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of questions, designs, and sharing methods to find what works best for your needs. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Dive in, start creating, and who knows, your next quiz could be the hit that engages your audience or students like never before. Happy form building!